Educational video is an important component of any training course. Interactivity ensures greater involvement of students, and the convenient formats allow students to learn in a comfortable pace and in any location. But it is very important to remember that the knowledge of different topics should be transferred by choosing different formats. So, what is the difference between various video formats? Let's start with the training film or series. This is a complex video product which is created by a whole team. So what do you need to create a training film or series? So the first one is a movie script with implemented teaching materials. Then you will be needing location for filming like office, city center, etc. You also need a studio for recording the video if a presenter needed. You need professional film equipment, filming team, a full crew for filming including the director. You need actors, software for video editing and graphics, and of course, editor and motion designer. When you choose a video production team, you should pay attention to the relevant experience and provide them with the detailed information about the desired video products by filling out the brief or answering the interview questions in the meeting. Also, do not forget that such video production is one of the most expensive, which requires separate elaboration of project budget, and the process itself can take a long time. So the next format is Screencast, recording video from your screen. This is what a speaker can usually do on his own. Most often, this format is used to teach the audience to work with the site or a computer program such as Photoshop or Microsoft Word. So you will need this: a quiet room, such as sound recording studio. You will need video and audio recording equipment, for example, laptop or loop microphone or headset. You also need software for recording and editing video with sound, and of course you need scenario, a plan of what is happening on the screen, and some short text. You can record video and sound at the same time, or you can record video first and then voice over it. Please note, your video should be catchy from the beginning. After about 10 seconds of the video, the viewer stops watching if he doesn't find something interesting or useful for himself. This format is not always appropriate because having a speaker directly in the frame gives more interest to viewer. So that brings us to the last format, a training course with a speaker. A training course with a speaker is the equivalent of a classic lecture, but it is pre-recorded and has some additional benefits. So the speaker in the frame attracts attention and inspires trust. Graphics highlight the main points on the screen. This format implies many implementation options, so it may be a recording of a lecture or a separate lecture with a whiteboard, or recording of the speaker's voice with the slides, or video recording with chroma key in studio, or the option of using Jalinga video recording studio, which combines both the lecturer and his slides and the ability to write on the whiteboard. So in order to shoot a training course with a speaker, usually you will need a studio for recording, video and audio recording equipment, film crew, scenario, presentation, a speaker who looks good in the frame and speaks, video editing software, and of course, editor or motion designer. If you choose the correct type of the video, you will easily attract the attention of your target audience. Thanks for your attention. Like this video if it was helpful. See you!